Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, air sign. This is June bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force proceeding. Aquarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, 6 of Wands, Judgment with 9 of Wands. I think you are getting success for your hard work, recognition for your hard work, Aquarius. I think you're more concentrating on your career in these recent times. And Judgment. I think you want to make some major decision regarding your love life or your life. You want to make some major decision. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 3 of Pentacles, Ace of Wands and 5 of Pentacles. I think you both have a lot of attraction, lot of passion between both of you, but there is no partnership and there is no collaboration. Yes. So maybe they are in and out of your life. Maybe they're treating you as an option. They're not available to you when you need them emotionally. Yeah, but passion is there. Attraction is there. Then maybe you are very, very passionate about towards your person. Present Knight of Pentacles, 6 of Cups and 2 of Wands. I think you are thinking about commitment with your person and you are thinking about them a lot. 24/7, Aquarius. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. But someone is coming towards you to offer stability because Knight of Pentacles energy. For some, it could be a brand new person. For some, it could be a past person, depending upon your situation. But someone is coming to offer stability, commitment. Then future Queen of Swords, the High Priestess and Knight of Wands. See here two persons. One could be brand and one could be past. Brand new person and another could be past. For some, it could be only one person. But you are taking your control back, Queen of Swords energy. You are giving clarity. You will give clarity what you want. And you started listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition, and Knight of Wands. So maybe they're coming back with lots of passion. Again, Knights always come and go. Knight of Wands especially. So this person is in and out of your life. But here Knight of Pentacles is very sincere and serious. But this person is in and out of your life. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius but very less air energy. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Page of Swords, the Tower with Justice. See, right now they are going through Tower moment. They're spying on you a lot, Aquarius. And they want second chances with you. Yeah, they now realizing your worth. They're missing you so much. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Strength, Justice and Three of Pentacles. Yeah, If you are in separation, they want to work on this relationship. In past, there is no partnership, but now they want partnership with you, and they want second chances, Aquarius. Maybe right now they're scared for rejection. And Two of Cups, yeah, this love is mutual. And Five of Swords energy, definitely there are some arguments, fighting going between you and your person. Yeah, right now maybe your person is guarded up because they're scared for rejection, but they're thinking about second chances and working on the relationship. So let's see their intentions. And the person involved in this connection could be Libra, especially. Yeah, again Five of Swords, Eight of Cups, and King of Swords. Maybe for some they walked away from this connection. Lot of drama is going. Yeah, love is mutual, but lots of drama is going, lot of arguments. Maybe they walked away, now they have regrets. They can't talk right now because King of Swords energy, they are thinking through their logical mind. Lot of thinking is going in your person's mind right now because Five of Swords with King of Swords. Maybe they have regrets. Yes, they are thinking about second chances with you, but in action wise they're scared because they did hurt you in past. Yeah, they're wanting you back, but they're scared for rejection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, this person may be toxic for you. For some, they are obsessed with you, and your person is at some crossroads. Yes, Two of Swords energy. They want to make a move towards you. At the same time, they're holding back because due to rejection, maybe they're due to they're scared. So definitely they're obsessed with you, but they're at some crossroads. Yeah, they're in the process of making decision judgment. Right now, they're unable to make any decision because they're at some crossroads. Aquarius. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. You want equal give and take. Lots of cards. That's why I'm not taking. I think you are also confused, maybe, because they're always giving you false hope. And yes, you are fed up with this energy, you drained totally. And Four of Swords, right now you are not talking with this person, you are healing. And you want commitment, that's all, you want marriage. So let's see mutual. Three of Swords, yeah, right now you're both missing each other a lot and you both want success in this connection. But at the same time, there are some issues because right now, it is in very slow moving energy, but for some there will be new beginnings, but again it will take time. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aquarius. Lot of abundance is coming. Free yourself. Second chance. Retreat. And I'm feeling sad without you. I want to be honest with you. So lot of abundance is coming. Free yourself. Second chance. Retreat. I'm feeling sad without you and I want to be honest with you. These are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Work through your fears. New moon in Scorpio, Scorpio energy. So if you have any fears, first you have to overcome, because sometimes those fears have negative impact on our lives, and hold your vision. So if you want to achieve anything but it is not happening right now, doesn't mean that it is not happening. It will happen. Just hold your vision. Fixed mode. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you. Bye.